Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today we are starting with a new chapter of class 11 statics, that is collection of data. We know that in plural sense, statics means data or quantitative information capable of some managerial conclusion. The present chapter focus on the collection of data, including sources of data, method of collecting data. So, what is the data and how types are of it? Any information which is useful is data, and they are of primary and secondary. Primary source of data implies collection of data from its source of origin. It offers you first-hand quantitative information relating to your statistical study. Whereas secondary source of data implies collection of data from some agency or institution which already happens to have collected the data through statistical survey. It does not offer you first-hand information relating to your statistical study. You are to rely on the information which is already existing. So the data collected by the investigator for its own purpose for the first time from beginning to end are called as primary data. These are collected from the source of origin. In the words of Wessels, data originally collected in the process of investigation are known as primary data. Primary data are original and authentic. The concerned investigator is the person who collects these information. The primary data are therefore first-hand information. Now moving to the secondary data. In the words of M.M. Blair, secondary data are those which are already in existence and which have been collected for some other purpose other than answering of the question in hand. According to Wessels, data collected by the other person are called secondary data. These data are therefore called second-hand data. Obviously, since these data have already been collected by somebody else, are available in the form of published or unpublished reports. Now, what is the basic difference between primary and secondary data? Difference in originality. Primary data are original because these are collected by the investigator from the source of their origin. Against this, secondary data are already in existence and therefore are not original. Second difference in objectives. Primary data are always related to a specific objectives of the investigator. These data therefore do not need any adjustment for the concerned study. On the other hand, secondary data have already been collected for some other purpose. Therefore, these data need to be adjusted to suit the objective of study in hand. Now the third is difference in the cost of collection. Primary data are costlier in terms of time, money, energy and efforts involved than the secondary data. This is because primary data are collected for the first time from their source of origin. Secondary data are simply collected from the published or unpublished reports. Accordingly, these are much less expensive. Of course, it may be noted that there are no fundamental difference between primary and secondary data. Data are data, whether primary or secondary. These are classified as primary or secondary just on the basis of their collection, first hand or second hand. Thus, a particular set of data, when are collected by the investigator for a specific purpose from the source of origin, would be primary data. And the same set of data, when be used by some other investigator for his own purpose, would be known as secondary data. So, the distinction between primary and secondary data is one of the degree. Data which are primary in the hands of one party may be secondary in the hands of other party. If we are collecting data from its source of origin for the first time, it is primary data. But if we are using data which have been already been collected by somebody else, it is secondary data. If you are getting data from somebody else who collected it from its source of origin but did not use it for its own study, it will deemed to be as a primary data. So students, secondary source of data implies collection of data from some agency or institution which have already happens to have collected the data through statistical survey. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.